Euler today is heading more toward a fixed charging approach, and our thought process are a bit simple, and it kind of lies around three, four things, which are your life, range, time, and cost. I think India will have both charging and swapping in the short term. There are some segments where swapping would make more sense. There are some segments where I think fixed charging will make more sense, right? And in the next 5 years, I think those segments will automatically sort of figure out where the best fits are. Euler today is heading more toward a fixed charging approach, and our thought process are a bit simple, and it kind of lies around three, four things, which are your life, range, time, and cost. And when you talk about range, what we have seen is most people in three-wheeler, let's just say if you're talking about a cargo use case, they don't drive more than 80, 90 kilometers. You can give them 120, 130, but they won't, because there is a time when they get up, they take load, they deliver, they eat something, and it's already night, and they would sort of come back. If you look at like the typical sort of entrepreneur life, and yes, there would be extreme use cases where there would be much more kilometers. So and hence I think maybe some other form factor of your swapping and some of that makes sense over there. But for majority of the cases where, let's just say if you're driving 80, 90 kilometer, if our value proposition is going to be, I'm going to give you, let's just say 100 or 120 kilometer, let's just say, right? So that you don't have to worry, you drive the whole day, you don't have to figure out where the charging station is, swapping station is, you go drive, come back, and get done with the day, put it in charge, and go on with your day, right? So that takes care of your charging anxiety. Takes care of your range anxiety, right? And we believe that with technology, your battery pack, cell capacity, or the volumetric, whatever we call, like watt hour per kg or whatever per liter, different ways to measure specific energy density, they're going to improve. So in the same amount of weight or same amount of volume, you're going to package more and more energy, and hence you will get more range over a period of time. So we believe that range is not going to be a problem. It will only increase with time. Coming to your charging time problem, which we call about the timing anxiety issue, there again the same thing is that maybe today, we are charging, and we believe that with fast charging it degrades. Yes, if it degrades if you don't liquid cool the battery pack, or if you don't maintain a good temperature. But if you look at one of the best examples of uh, car maker, which is Tesla, which are shown over a period of 5-7 years, that there are a lot of battery packs people have fast charged, and over a period of 8-9 years it has only reduced by like 10% or 15% degradation. India has temperature conditions are a bit different in your commercial vehicle usage, where our focus of conversation is you have more depth of discharge, so you'll have different kind of degradation. Private sector vehicles will have different one. So again, with fast charging, if you have liquid cooling and some of that, it can, I don't think you will get that much of degradation, and that solves for your timing anxiety problem. That will it be, will I get 15 minutes, 50 kilometer, 100 kilometer? Many companies have shown that, right? Coming to your cost and I think life cycle, right? I think they're related. I think again, with battery packs improving, and your battery lasting more than I think 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, I think some of that additional cost that you're paying will ease out over a period of time. So so Euler is like sort of more, I think, tilted, but I think, like I said, India is a country of plenty. Plus, you have different use cases: private, commercial, car, two-wheelers, three-wheeler. Within that, passenger, cargo, passenger, three-wheeler might have more range. So different segments, right? And also the risk-taking ability or comfort of the customer who is purchasing the vehicle. Somebody wants to, let's just say, purchase a three-wheeler, drive around, might want to own the battery pack. He feels like much more comfortable, that he does not want to go swap in the middle of a route when he has to deliver some order. So different use case scenarios. So I think it both will exist. We are tilted more toward charging, and yeah.